Hi everyone, welcome to the newest episode of Social Science Geography, Chapter 21, The Earth, Our Living Planet. This chapter will be divided into two parts. So, one will be the solar system and the Earth and the oceans and continents. And another important topic will be decided, will be teach to you, and longitude, latitude, standard time, local time, and the time zones and international dateline. So now in this session we are going to learn about solar system and the planet Earth. Okay, you can see here the so this is the solar system. How many planets are there in the solar system? Can you name them? Yeah, exactly. You can see there the solar system having 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So these are the 8 planets we can see in the solar system. See, the Earth is also called as the living planet, unique planet, and a water planet and blue planet. These are all the different names which has been given to the Earth. You can see in the slide. So different names has been given to the Earth, that is living planet, unique planet, water planet, and the blue planet. See, it is the fifth largest planet in the solar family. It is the fifth largest planet in the solar family. So you should remember that. So you can see here Earth, that is the fifth largest after the Mercury and Venus. That is a third planet, and in the largest amount, that is fifth largest uh, planet in the solar system. After that, I am not going to read each and every points here. Which are the important points? It is important for your examination point of view. I am going to talk about that only. Earth shape is often described as geoid. What is the meaning of geoid? So please comment. What is the meaning of geoid? So geoid is a true shape of the earth. It's look like a slightly squashed sphere in the equator. So through the gravitational force, north and south will be no, yeah, you can see here. This is orange now in the top and the bottom. It is not exactly like a shape of circle, but it is like a oblate spheroid. You remember these words are important. So in the examination point of view, they will ask the same in the exam. So that is the shape. So what is the shape of the earth? That is the shape of geoid. Geoid literally mean is heart shaped or oblate spheroid. Earth is flattened at the pole and the bulge at the equator. You should remember that. It will be this much. Earth is flattened at the pole and bulge at the equator. This is the shape of the geoid. And after that, what are there in the planet Earth? The bodies of the land bodies of the Earth are known as the continent. How many continents are there? So exactly 7 continents are there. See, the body of the Earth are known as continent. There are 7 continents, namely Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, and the Europe and Australia. So these are the 7 continents we can see on the Earth. So among them, the largest continent. So you can see in the third largest continent in the world, it is Asia. Largest is Asia, and the smallest. So Australia is the smallest continent. You can see this is the, so this is the Earth. You can see here. So smallest continent and the largest. This is Asia. This is Asia. This is the largest, and this is Australia, which is a smallest. And after that, while looking into the water bodies, there are four important water bodies we can see. The large water body, what is ocean? If anybody asks you that, you should remember the large water bodies on the earth as called the ocean. What are we call them? We're calling them as a ocean. Then there are four major oceans. They are Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Look into that. It's very, very important. The Arctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Indian Ocean. So this is while seeing this, you can understand here the different type of. See in this is Indian Ocean. This the part is Indian Ocean, and this is Atlantic Ocean, and this is Pacific Ocean. You can see here this is Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean. See in the last you can see this is Pacific, the biggest. So there are four important oceans you can see here. And after that, the largest and the smallest. The Pacific Ocean is the largest. Yeah, you can see this is Arctic Ocean. This is very, very smallest, and this is the Pacific Ocean. You can say this is the largest. This is the largest, and the 60% of the northern hemisphere is considered to be the land and 40% of water. Therefore, it is called the land hemisphere. On the other hand, there is 81% of the water and 19% of the land in the southern hemisphere. So it is called the water hemisphere. So they might be asking you the question. They might be asking you the questions like that. So you should remember this. 60% of the land and 40% of the water, there is called the land hemisphere, that is a northern hemisphere. 81% of the water and the only 19% of the 19% of the land is there. That is why southern hemisphere is called as the water hemisphere. I think this much is you understood. So in the next class I am going to talk about the latitude, longitude and other parts. Thank you very much for watching.